Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. Microsoft recently launched version 22H2. Okay, so this is October update. So guys, how to install in your systems, your desktop, your laptop? So simply guys, this link I will give you in description. So you directly click and come this page, and then I suggest you just download Creative Media Tool. So this is click now and then open and then yes. Yeah, Windows up to date version. So now th this is PC is running version 22H2 and the latest 22H2. So how to install and then click to update, and let's check CPU okay, memory okay, and disk space also okay. So this is completely congratulations options. Now this is installing. So actually there are three steps to download. Firstly download and then install. Okay, and then update. So around 1 to only if you using SSD, so 30 minutes is okay to update. Otherwise you using SDD, so 1 hour update time, 21H2 to 22H2. Okay, and guys, have any issues, any errors, so please comment me, I will support you. Channel thumbnail I have my WhatsApp number, so you can WhatsApp me error photos. I will 100% support you quickly. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, take care, and do not want to any activities, just wait and watch and then restart.